Hi students, welcome to the new section. So today we are going to discuss about the chapter 5 lines and angles. So in these lines and angles we have to recollect that some basic concepts of lines and angles. So what are the basic concepts? First we have to recollect that point from the point also. What is the point? The point which is located, a dot located in a plane is called point. What is a plane? An empty place which is extended by all directions. So here we can observe here this board is called a plane. So here this wall, this front side wall is called also a plane. So we have how many directions? We have 6 directions. So front direction one plane will be there, back direction one plane will be there, 2 sides and up and down. So 6 directions, 6 planes will be there. So here one plane, if a dot located in a plane, here we consider this board as a plane. I put a point here, I locate a point here, dot here, this dot called a point. This point is denoted by capital letters of alphabet, okay, like this. So I put here another point B. So this is a B. B also a point. So A and B, these 2 points are in the same plane. That's why you can read as we can call these 2 as coplanar points. Okay. So I cut this plane up to here. Okay. I am going to draw a new plane here. This is a new plane. So I am going to put a point C and Z and H. These 3 points. These 3 points are belonging to this plane. These 2 points are belonging to this plane, like that. Understand? So these points which are belonging to same plane are called coplanar points. This is about the point. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about the line. So what about the line? So in a line, the straight line which is extended by both directions. Here this is a straight line which is extended by both directions. So here A, I am going to put points on the line. This line is passing these 2 points only, but these 2 are not endpoints for the given line. Okay. So here A and B, this is line is passing through A and B. So we can read as AB line or BA line. We have to indicate where if it is a line means we have to indicate like this. Understood? Okay. Next, if you want to read this line in a single letter means you have to indicate with the small letters L, line M, line P, like that you have to indicate with a small letter of the alphabet. If you want to indicate a point means you have to indicate with the capital letters. If you want to indicate this line with the capital letters means you have to indicate with 2 points. 2 points you have to read. A, B line. B, A line, like that you have to indicate. Okay. This is about the line. In this line you can observe there is no end points for this, and that's why you can't define the length of the line. Okay. There is no fixed length for the line. Why? Because it is extended by both directions. Understood? Now next one is line segment. So in line segment, what is a line segment? Line segment is a part of a line. The shortest distance between the 2 points is called a line. So if we want to join these 2 A, B points means this straight line is only the shortest distance. Okay. So that this is called line segment. So this line segment is a part of a line, but it has 2 endpoints, so that we can find the length of the line segment. So line segment has a fixed length. We can read this line segment as AB line segment or BA line segment. So you have to indicate line. If it is a line segment, we have to indicate like this. Understand? So next one is ray. In ray, a ray is also a part of a line. So here ray will starts at one point, but it has no endpoints. it is extended by one direction. So that here initial point, if it is A, means this is passing through B, so that we can read as AB ray or BA ray, means we have to indicate like this. Okay, here it is passing through B, that's why that arrow must be towards B. Understood? You have to maintain like that. Understood? So it has all, it is it having one end point only, that's why you can't find the length of the ray also. Understood? You have to give some examples about the line segments and rays. So here line segment means edge of the board, blackboard is called a example for the line segment. Understood? Like that you have to give some more examples, try to give some more examples in your notebooks. Okay, here ray also. Here ray, what is the example for ray? So sun rays. So sun rays starts from sun passing through all planets. Okay, so that ray, that is the example for ray. So you have to give some more examples about the line segment and ray. Also you have to give for the example for the line also. Understand? So next concept. So I am going to draw few lines which are passing through one point. Here I draw 3 lines. These 3 lines are passing through one point. So this point is called intercepting point or concurrent point. Some more lines, the lines which are passing through one point is called, that common point is called as intercepting point or concurrent point. These lines are concurrent lines. Okay, here from this every line will be divided into 2 rays. Here from O to A 1 ray, O to B, O to C, O to D, O F, O R, like this. Okay, every line is divided into 2 rays, 2 equal rays. Understood? So these are called the intercepting lines. Okay, these all lines are intercepting in one point, at one point. Okay, next.